Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2015 Hyundai Veloster. This one is red. For wheels we've got 17-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels. Black cloth interior. Veloster badging. Opening up the tailgate. We've got a clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover. Power windows, steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, media display, rear view backup camera, climate control, auxiliary and USB ports, automatic transmission. This Veloster has 77,562 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this Hyundai Veloster, visit us at feldmanimports.com.